Oh, what do we have here? Today we got why you should never shoot out a cop's window. Thank you guys for tuning in. Without further ado, let's get it. Oh shit.
Stop, bro! Save my dog!
Oh.
November 10th, 2025, a deputy conducting scene security in his personal vehicle noticed a brown Chevy SUV driving slowly through the neighborhood. The deputy then heard a loud pop and his front passenger window shattered. Believing this to be a gunshot, the deputy took cover and immediately radioed for assistance.
What the why would you do that?
Late model Chevy Suburban across the street from me.
You shooting at a cop, you definitely trying to go to jail or die. Either or, that was stupid.
Unknown number of occupants. They slowly rolled the house
You're gonna attack the people that's upholding the law. Good luck with that one.
in front of me, parked there.
Where'd you go, Rory?
Your incident has been updated.
He took off that fast? Damn.
Robert 730, as far as I know, they're still in the vehicle. Unknown if they've exited the vehicle.
Which one? This one right here?
Freedom 625, everyone.
This one?
As the deputy arrives on scene, the brown Chevy SUV is still parked across the street, the potentially armed suspect still inside. Just as the deputy drives by, the SUV takes off, and deputies immediately begin a pursuit.
Oh, he took off? Oh shit, they got an arrest going. Somebody's in there. Why is he looking at? Oh, that's just. Oh, dang. That can't be good. Almost got you, bro.
On I-25 right now.
I would be terrified.
Southbound I-25. I'll be southbound I-25. Where you gonna get a plate yet?
Talk about right place, right time.
361 standby. We got moderate traffic here. He's got pretty reckless.
King 3, I'm second off Holland. We're going to be southbound I-25. Speeds are about 64, moderate traffic.
Speed 64, still southbound, moderate traffic. 372, I can track it 6 at I-25 and I-76.
King 3, we're going 86 miles per hour, still southbound, approaching Highway 36.
Approaching Highway 36, speed 86.
Yeah, where they at? I can't even see the signs. The lights are hurting my eyes. Looks like Utah or some shit though. He got out?
Hey,
That was-
he's getting out
that
on
was another car.
Highway 36, he's jumping into the car lot. Stop, bro! Save my dog!
From Elevation Lot off Broadway.
Radio compliant.
He heard he was gonna send that dog, but it got out of there.
What's wrong through here? Schubert, come up, and you're gonna take hands. We gotta clear the car.
I'm gonna get Huck out. Come over to my side.
Is he down on the ground or what?
Hands up.
Stay on the ground.
Yeah, your ass going. Boy, you done. It's two people?
Do it now! They got key! Now!
Come here! Crawl towards me! Come here! Got key! Come here! Come here! Slowly!
Despacio! Key! Don't say more about it.
That was dumb as hell. Neither one of you guys had sense enough to be like, why would you do that? Everything to do on any time of the night, and this is what y'all chose to do: shoot at a cop.
Stand up. Can you stand up?
Is he shot? Why is he making all those noises? What the fuck he got? What the fuck he got cuffs for?
Bend your knees. Stand up.
Now he trying to go to medical.
Do you speak English? Okay. Get up. Get up.
How you gonna do crime and you in pain? You injured. That don't make no damn sense.
Okay. You gonna stay here with him? Okay. What hurts?
Can you hold it?
Yeah.
My stomach.
Your stomach?
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this one.
And did he get shot or something? What happened?
Me voy a parar, okay?
What the fuck is wrong with his stomach?
Just sit him on there for medical.
We still need the highway shut down. Just want to stand by and try to get your transfer. Go ahead.
Did you air tag?
Not yet.
I'm so lost. What is going on right now?
Oh. John 42. Edward Boyd Tom, John 42. What's wrong with your stomach?
You got a boo boo?
Just the accident? Okay. Okay, there's no blood. It's okay.
Asking his name. I'm Luis. Luis? Luis. What's your last name? Salomon.
Luis Salomon?
Yeah, Salomon. That's
Salomon?
That's my car.
Is this your car?
Yeah.
So who shot at the cop car?
I don't want to bother traffic.
Cause he could just whoopsie and just jump out in there. This is why you shouldn't do crime. Cause look at this shit. And now you over here in pain. Woo.
As far as violating his rights, you said. Yeah.
He hears that his window got shot out.
Okay.
Or got. How do you hear? Broken out?
Broken out.
Got broken out.
Okay.
And then you said this gold Tahoe, whatever the hell. Yeah, whatever the fuck this is. They parked down the road and they were still in the car.
Yeah.
Our officers get there, they take off immediately. There is a BB gun right here by the driver's door. They tried to take off running, but challenged him with the dog and they fucking gave up. Our biggest thing, because his partner, the passenger, is probably going to end up talking. If you can, just advise him of Miranda in Spanish so that eventually, if we need to talk to him, we can re-advise him or just ask him a couple questions.
Okay.
But unless you have a different idea, my thing is this your car?
Yeah.
Okay, where were you guys headed?
Passenger or driver?
He's going to be the driver.
Oh, the driver, the guy who is Spanish, he said this is his car like 5 times. Yeah. He thinks we're violating his rights right now by searching it and stuff. But is he in custody right now?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So at the very least, eluding incrimination.
Yeah, and I have not advised him of Miranda either. Yeah, of that guy, the driver.
So my guess is he was trying to jack our guy, not knowing he was a cop, because it's a nice fucking new truck.
Yeah.
So that's my guess. But if you can just get a basic timeline, if he's willing to talk to you, of where were you guys coming from, so we can put him in that area.
Yeah.
Obviously we know.
Yeah.
And then where you're headed to.
Okay.
I'm sure he's gonna say work because he's got a shit ton of tools.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you do for work?
Yeah.
Just lay some basic groundwork.
All right. And then if he says no, then
Yep.
Wow, that's crazy.
Are you going to stay here with Toe? Do you need
I'm
help?
gonna stay here, yeah.
Okay. Do you need anything, Toe?
No, here's your phone back.
The driver was identified as Luis Salomon Juarez, and the passenger Joel Gardea. Inside the vehicle, deputies found gloves, a pellet BB gun positioned between the driver's seat and center console, and a plastic bag containing a white
BB
crystal
gun.
substance. The substance tested positive for methamphetamine and weighed 556 grams.
So they was milling around. That's what you trying to
Luis
tell
was
me.
charged with vehicular eluding, reckless endangerment, criminal mischief resulting in $1,000 to $2,000 in damages, and possession of a controlled substance of over 4 grams. Luis' charges could land him in up to 4 to 7 years if the courts do their job correctly.
For a BB gun?
Joel cooperated in an interview, stating that he was unaware of the weapon, heard a window shatter, told Luis to stop the vehicle during the pursuit, declined kidnapping charges, and was released without any charges.
What a fucking idiot. Thank you guys for tuning in. Shout out to all my supporters. I love you. And that's it, baby. We out. You gotta do one more.